frying oil cannot be used for a very long time. Oil goes bad after 3 to 4 days of frying at restaurants and fast food places due to extensive usage. The oil gradually darkens, we see blackened crumbs on the food being cooked. The cooking temperature and the presence of water in the oil accelerate wear of oil. Cleaning of oil is usually done only with strainers which can only take coarse particles that are visible. However, fine particles cannot be removed by strainer and always remain suspended in the oil. These particles are fine at micron level and settle only after days of storing still. They burn at a high temperature all day of cooking, and cannot be removed by simple straining and settling. Same oil is reused for several days, at least, until it has gone bad. These burnt fine particles accelerate oxidation, push up acid number and also spoil the taste of the cooking.
Filtre edilmiş yağ. Ve şimdi kızartma şeyi olan yağ. Buraya yerleştirilen filtre torbalarından çıkan tortu. Bu ön filtre içerisindeki bunlar gıdanın içerisinde iyi olabileceğiniz şeyler, tortular.
Oil quality is measured by a total polar matter (TPM) tester. Acid number is also one of the parameters to test the quality. TPM limit is in general 25%. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, the maximum level for the acid value of refined oils is 0.6 mg potassium hydroxide per gram oil. There are some chemical products in the market to bleach the cooking oil. They render oil light yellow, but it is not effective to make oil healthy. It doesn't change oxidation level. The cooking process takes about 7 to 15 minutes, depending on the type of food. But fine particles from the food or food additives, starch, flour, bread, remain in the oil and burn all day at high temperatures of 180 degrees Celsius. They remain suspended due to their size and heat from underneath. These burnt particles spoil the taste and increase TPM reading. Our filters are designed to be used at high temperatures during cooking process. As the filter takes finest particles, oil quality and taste improves. When we filtered a used and discarded oil with TPM over 25%, oil's TPM measured 16% after filtration and regeneration. In another test on used oil with acid number of 1.6 mg potassium hydroxide per gram oil, acid number measured 1.1 after filtration. The values are obviously beyond acceptable limits, but it shows a considerable improvement provided by our filtration system. Particle size and density change depending on the type of the food. Usually there are coarse particles as well as fine particles which make filtration difficult due to dirt load. We use reusable pre-filters in the form of bags and mesh metal filters to take particles down to 10 microns. The fine filters take particles down to 1 micron. This way, the fine filters are prevented from early clogging. Oil life can be extended and the taste improved by use of our filtration systems, which enable filtration during the cooking process.
it.